Alright guys, downtown a little bit over the bridge. Meow. Yep. Cat did not like me at all. That's some nice furniture here. I do need some furniture for my apartment. Not sure whether that's for sale or not though. I'm thinking it might just be because they're renovating and it's probably for a building. Barcode. Don't know what that is. The wall to the temple. See all the way up there. It's the main building in the temple with the spiral on top. Hey chickens. Hey chickens. Yep. Oh, got the little ones over here. See if you can. There we go. There we go. Yep. Running around like a chicken with his head cut off. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Nope. Cats just don't share their love of me as dogs do. They just kind of ignore me. But I don't think I've ever been down this little alley before. At least I don't recognize anything. The cooking class. Learn to cook Cambodia dish. I think I got the brochure for that back at the my apartment. Digging the architecture though. That is pretty. Looks like there's a bunch of businesses and bars in this little alleyway. And I do love a good dive bar. Nice little wall here. And I guess if you want, you can, you got all these TVs set up here, some sort of art. Old TVs. Pretty neat stuff. Looks like all these little bars have their own little section of wall that they can put artwork on however they like. First one down there was the last call bar. This latest one was up to you bar. Looks like this comes right out onto from the looks of it, it comes out onto Pub Street. It appears. Or close to it. Does that smell good? Aha. Some sort of spa. You can always tell because it smells good. And it always has plants. If it smells good and it has plants, chances are it's a spa. Yeah. Nice little alley. Always discovering new things. Be a nice little shortcut next time I have to come down here to Pub Street. I always go the long way around because I never knew this was here. Yeah. Talk to you guys in a minute. Hey, just had iced cappuccino. Man, that was delicious. But if in any way, shape, or form you think I'm not going right across the street afterwards to get me a banana smoothie for $1, where you are out of your mind. Although the way they drive, they just pull up, they have all their fruit, all their equipment, right on a motorized vehicle. They pull up, set up shop, and I have a delicious treat. Yummy. By the way, if you guys thought I was lying about that banana smoothie, you are wrong. Getting it right now here at this cart. Only $1 each. That's right, I told you I was going to get one, and I'm getting one. Banana smoothies, all day long. $1. Good deal. Sitting here enjoying my banana smoothie. I'll let you guys look at the area. Right across there is the CM Reap Market, where I just came from. And on this side of the streets, there are food vendors. Of course, smoothies if you want them. Going all the way down that way. But I love the inside of that market. They got just about everything I want. As a matter of fact, there we go. I bought a couple more towels because I only had the one. And as I said, my friend Chang Lee, she came over yesterday. She hand washed my towel and it never dried. So this morning I had to take a shower and drip dry until I was dry enough to get dressed and ready to go. I only have one towel, by the way, because I'm efficient. That's a good way of saying cheap. So I bit the bullet. I bought a couple more towels. Good to go. This is one of my favorite corners to watch people and traffic. It's a busy intersection over there. You see the bridge over there. That takes you back down to where I live in that part of town. And then once you cross over, you're in the hustling, bustling downtown area. You got markets, food vendors, smoothies, restaurants, tattoos, massage parlors, anything you want. Pretty neat. Talk to you guys later.